Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's topic is talking with your crush. Hey Dave, why are you smiling at your phone like that?
Huh? Me?
Yes, you. I'm not smiling. Dave, you're literally blushing.
Okay, fine.
Aha, I knew it.
I got a message from someone.
Ooh, someone special?
Maybe.
Haha, tell me everything.
There's this girl I like.
Really?
Yeah.
Since when?
A few weeks ago?
And you're only telling me now?
I wanted to survive first.
Talking to your crush is stressful. True, honestly.
My English becomes worse around her.
Oh no.
Normally, I can speak okay.
But?
Around her, my brain stops working completely.
What happens?
I forget easy words.
Like what?
One time, I forgot the word hungry.
Really?
Yeah. I said, my stomach is emotionally empty.
Dave!
She laughed, though.
Honestly, that's actually cute.
Really?
Yeah, funny, awkward moments can be charming.
Maybe.
So, where did you meet her?
At a bookstore cafe.
Oh, that sounds romantic.
Not really. I was just buying coffee.
And then?
She accidentally took my drink.
Oh no.
Yeah. She grabbed my coffee and started walking away. What did you say? I panicked and shouted, "Excuse me, that coffee belongs to my heart."
What?
I meant my hand. Worst moment of my life.
That is incredible.
I wanted to disappear immediately.
What did she do?
She laughed so hard.
Honestly, that's an amazing first meeting story.
You think so?
Definitely.
Maybe she just thinks I'm weird.
Weird can be cute sometimes.
That gives me hope.
So, are you texting her now?
Yeah.
Are you nervous every time she replies?
Extremely nervous.
Haha.
When she takes too long to reply, I start overthinking.
Oh yes, classic crush behavior.
My brain becomes dramatic.
Like what?
If she replies after 5 minutes, I think, okay, cool.
And after 1 hour?
She probably hates me.
Dave!
I can't help it. Then suddenly she replies normally and I feel stupid.
That's very normal, honestly.
Having a crush is emotionally exhausting,
True.
but also kind of exciting.
Exactly.
Sometimes one message can change your whole mood.
Definitely.
Yesterday, she sent me a smiling emoji.
Okay.
I stared at it for 10 minutes. I was trying to understand the emotional meaning.
It's just a smiley face.
No, emojis are complicated. There are levels of happiness.
Oh, really?
Yes, science.
Amazing research, Dave.
Thank you.
So, Dave, have you ever tried to impress your crush?
Oh, yes.
This should be interesting.
And embarrassing.
Even better.
One time I tried to sound smart in English.
Uh-oh.
She asked me what kind of music I like.
Easy question.
Very easy question.
So what happened?
I got nervous and suddenly forgot every singer on earth. My brain completely disappeared.
Oh no.
I panicked and said, I enjoy musical sounds.
Dave!
I know.
That sounds like an alien pretending to be human.
Exactly.
What did she say?
She laughed and said, "That's good to know." Honestly, I think she laughs at me more than with me.
No, if she keeps talking to you, that's a good sign.
You think so?
Definitely.
Maybe there's hope.
Have you ever been too nervous to send a message?
All the time. Sometimes I write a message, then delete it 20 times.
Same, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, especially if I really like someone.
That makes me feel better.
What kind of messages do you overthink?
Simple ones.
Like?
Good night.
Why?
Because there are too many choices.
Dave, it's 2 words.
No, listen.
Okay.
Good night.
Normal.
Good night, smiley face.
Slightly happier.
Good night, ha ha.
Why are you laughing before sleeping?
Exactly. It's complicated. Then I stare at the screen for 30 minutes.
Crushes make people crazy.
Very crazy.
Have you ever accidentally sent something embarrassing?
Unfortunately, yes.
Tell me immediately.
Okay, one night I was texting her while very sleepy.
Dangerous already.
Very dangerous.
And then?
I wanted to type sweet dreams,
Cute.
but autocorrect changed it to sweet dinosaurs. I didn't notice and sent it.
Oh my God.
Then she replied, "Thank you, I think." I almost threw my phone away.
Honestly, that's adorable.
Really?
Yeah, funny mistakes make conversations memorable.
Maybe my suffering has value. What about you? Have you ever had a crush before?
Of course.
Were you awkward too?
Extremely awkward.
Really? I thought you were always confident.
Nope.
Tell me a story.
Okay. One time I saw my crush at a supermarket.
Romantic.
Not for long.
Uh-oh.
I wanted to act cool and confident.
Sounds good so far.
So I smiled and waved at him.
Nice.
But while walking toward him,
No.
I accidentally crashed my shopping cart into a display of oranges. Oranges everywhere.
That's like a movie scene.
It was horrible.
Did he help you?
Yeah, actually. I kept saying sorry every 2 seconds.
Honestly, that sounds cute.
Really?
Definitely.
Well, we actually started dating later.
Wait, really?
Yep.
So the oranges helped.
Apparently.
Wow. Romance is strange.
Very strange.
Honestly, I think people become more human around their crush.
What do you mean?
Like, more emotional, more awkward, more honest.
That's actually true.
Even confident people suddenly become nervous.
Definitely.
Crushes have too much power.
True.
One compliment from her can improve my entire week.
Aw.
Last week, she said my jacket looked nice.
Okay.
I've worn the same jacket 3 times since then.
Dave!
It's my lucky jacket now.
Dave, what's the scariest thing about having a crush?
Easy. Trying to act normal. Seriously, the moment I see her, my personality disappears.
Oh, no.
I suddenly forget how to walk, talk, and breathe correctly.
That's dramatic.
But true. One time, she waved at me from across the street.
Cute.
I got so nervous that I waved back at the wrong person.
Dave!
There was another girl behind her. The random girl looked very confused.
I can imagine.
Meanwhile, my crush was still waving at me.
Oh, no.
I looked like my brain stopped working.
Did you recover?
Barely. Crushes turn intelligent people into confused potatoes.
That might be the most accurate sentence ever.
Thank you.
Have you ever practiced conversations before talking to her?
Every single time.
Really?
Yeah, I prepare full conversations in my head.
And does it help?
Absolutely not. Real conversations never follow the plan.
So true.
One time, I prepared interesting questions to ask her.
Nice.
But when she arrived, I panicked.
And?
I asked, "So, do you enjoy oxygen?" I don't know why I said that.
That is incredible.
She stared at me for like 5 seconds.
Oh no.
Then she started laughing uncontrollably.
Honestly, that's hilarious.
I sounded like an alien studying humans.
Yes, oxygen.
Exactly. Somehow she still likes talking to me, though.
That's a very good sign.
Maybe she enjoys chaos. What about first compliments? Those are scary too.
Definitely.
I always overthink compliments.
Same, honestly.
One time, I wanted to compliment her smile,
That's sweet.
but I got nervous and accidentally said, "Your teeth look very organized."
Dave!
I meant nice. Why am I like this?
I'm crying from laughing.
She laughed for like 2 minutes.
Honestly, she probably thinks you're funny.
Hopefully funny in a good way.
Definitely.
Crush conversations are dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Every sentence feels important.
That's true.
Even replying to messages becomes stressful.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes she sends a simple haha.
And
Then I spend 20 minutes analyzing it. Was it a happy haha? A polite haha? A confused haha?
Dave, relax.
Impossible.
Crushes really make people overthink everything.
Everything.
Have you ever gotten jealous before?
Maybe a little.
Really?
One time she mentioned another guy friend.
Uh-oh.
Suddenly, I became emotionally weak. I tried acting calm.
Did it work?
No, my voice became weird.
Oh, no.
I said, "Oh, cool, 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 cool." Too many cools.
That's always suspicious.
Exactly.
Did she notice?
Probably.
Aw.
But honestly, having a crush can also be really motivating.
How?
It makes you want to improve yourself.
That's true, actually.
Like dressing better, learning more things, becoming more confident.
Exactly.
I even started going to the gym more often.
Impressive.
Although mostly I just take selfies and pretend to exercise.
Dave. Honestly, though, confidence is attractive.
I'm working on it slowly.
That's important.
But I think being genuine matters more.
Definitely.
Pretending to be someone else is exhausting.
Exactly.
Even if you say weird things sometimes.
Like organized teeth.
Please stop reminding me.
So, Dave, what's going on with your crush now?
Actually, something exciting happened.
Ooh, tell me immediately.
We went out for coffee yesterday.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Dave, that's basically a date.
Don't say it like that. You'll make me nervous again. Honestly, I was already nervous the entire day.
I can imagine.
I changed my outfit like 6 times.
Classic crush behavior,
I wanted to look casual.
but also good.
Exactly. Then I arrived at the cafe 30 minutes early.
30?
I didn't want to be late.
That's actually kind of sweet.
I sat there pretending to be relaxed.
Were you relaxed?
Absolutely not. My heart was beating like an action movie soundtrack.
Oh no.
Then she walked in and smiled at me.
Aw.
And suddenly, I forgot every English word again.
Dave.
I stood up too fast and almost dropped my chair. The cafe became completely silent for 1 second.
That's painful.
Very painful.
Did she laugh?
Yeah, thankfully.
Good sign.
Then we started talking, and honestly, it felt comfortable.
That's really nice.
We talked for almost 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yeah, time went by really fast.
Usually that means the conversation was good.
I think so too.
Were you still nervous?
At first, yes.
And later?
Later, I forgot to be nervous because we were laughing too much.
Aw.
She actually likes stupid jokes.
Perfect for you then.
Hey. At one point, I accidentally spilled a little coffee on myself, though.
Of course you did.
Why do embarrassing things always happen around crushes?
I think it's a universal problem.
I looked down at my shirt and just whispered, "Not again." She laughed so hard she almost spilled her drink too.
Honestly, awkward moments make dates more memorable.
True.
Perfect dates are probably boring anyway.
Yeah, real moments feel more special.
Exactly.
I think I learned something important, though.
What?
I spent so much time trying to sound perfect,
Yeah?
but the best moments happened when I relaxed and acted naturally.
That's a really good lesson.
Even my weird jokes made her laugh.
See? Being yourself works better.
I guess people connect more through honesty than perfection.
Absolutely.
Also, she admitted she was nervous too.
Really?
Yeah,
That must have made you feel better.
definitely.
Most people are nervous than they look.
That's true.
Even confident people get shy around someone they like.
Honestly, crushes make everyone a little silly.
Very true.
But maybe that's part of the fun,
I agree.
even though it's stressful sometimes.
Yeah?
Having a crush can make life feel exciting.
Aw,
One message can improve your mood instantly.
definitely.
One smile can stay in your head all day.
Wow, Dave, that was actually romantic.
Really?
I'm impressed.
Wow, character development. Honestly, though, I think the biggest lesson is this.
What?
Don't wait to talk to someone you like,
That's good advice.
because sometimes the other person is nervous too.
Exactly.
And even awkward conversations can become beautiful memories later.
I love that.
Wow, we became emotional today.
A little bit.
Thanks for talking with me today, Cindy.
Of course, I had so much fun.
Me too.
And hopefully our listeners enjoyed this conversation too.
And maybe felt a little more confident about talking to their crush.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to connect with someone.
Just be honest, kind, and yourself.
And don't be afraid of awkward moments.
Sometimes awkward moments become the best memories.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.